In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change your hosting or name servers. So the first step is you want to find our domain, alright? So I'm going to click on domains, then domain portfolio, and you want to click on manage next to your domain for which you want to change your name servers. And now if you are in the domain overview, you can go to DNS/name servers. And from here you can manage your name servers, you can add DNS records from here, you can add redirects, alright? So if you want to change your name servers, just click on it. And from here, the default option is that you will have the hostinger default name servers, alright? And if you click on change name servers, you can add your custom name servers here. And then you're gonna click on save. So I'm gonna quickly choose the hostinger name servers for this example. And keep in mind, the changing name servers can take up to 24 hours for domain to propagate to the new name servers, and then it's going to be changed. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.